folks, and welcome to this premium analysis of Bitcoin. Yeah, a lot going on in Bitcoin. We have this this price lower. So if we have a quick look at what price bounced on, you can see it's this. Okay, so we had this little price nodule. Sorry, there's a guy cutting a bit of wood next door. So we have this here. It's tested several times, and then a huge push higher. So price tested the upper edge of this, which is not too terribly interesting. It didn't really do a whole lot, but that's what we have. But note that I mean, price has traded throughout these areas historically a lot. If we move it to the low where we can see so far and keep going, we can see where price has not yet been. See, price went here, and see it's gone to here, and this brings our attention to this. This is actually a pretty interesting area. Okay, price came up, price went up, we pulled back the slingshot, huge rejection from the 27,769 area, and then price left, and this is below all of this. So this is essentially where we have a buy zone just here. Okay, so this could also be a price sensitive area that we could keep our eyes on for that reason. But there's a lot there's a lot of stuff going on here above price. We've got to zoom out a little bit. Let's go to the daily chart just so we can see the more important data. So if we see here, we spoke about this one here. We talked about this area. It was tested. Okay, this is essentially a child. Here was the parent. Tested once, twice, now it's removed. And the area that removed this parent area, which is essentially responsible for removing this, okay, there's something up here. And this one is clear. This is at 46,000, I wish, 46,000, and this is where nice area of supply. This is the beginning of the sell zone, so this could be a very interesting area at which to sell. Also, prices traded a lot up and down in this area here, so there's kind of thinning liquidity from this price point just around here, so price could easily wriggle up to at least the highs here, maybe test this before it continues lower, but I'd like to see it go lower down to this area here. Okay, we also had the $20,000 price point. Let's have a look where that was. Right there, right here. Okay, so this is interesting, a respected area historically, and then price finally cut away the buy zone at the 21,781, but the area of demand is right on the money, $20,000. Okay, and the machine learning algo is also showing $20,000 for Bitcoin. So I shan't be buying just yet. Wait for this to get resolved at least. We want to see a pattern emerge here, something that's going to tell us that we have something else going on here. We want price to begin to form a base before we begin buying, and we're not doing that. We're just stabilizing. Okay, so a lot of people in shock, I'd say. We have an awful lot of selling. Could this go lower? It really could. We have this as well, but we don't know what's going to happen. We just have to wait and see when price stabilizes. But currently price is not stable. Okay, good. So keep your eyes on these levels here, not this one here, but the one just below the 27,769 area. And let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.